Guys, I thought I'd just show you that I've put the first 2 vinyl home tiles up. My heart's pounding. This stuff just makes me so anxious and nervous. Originally I was going to put it a bit lower, so it would be below the drive. That meant that I would have had to cut, and I probably will still have to cut it, but I would have had to cut in here. So then I thought I'll put it a tad higher, and then I actually stuck these 2 together off the wall, and then I flushed that against the wall and put that up. Pretty straightforward. You've just got these tiles. Each side has a little thing that says overlap, so basically you put that on. I put that on the right side, and then I just put this up here like this, line that up, and then stick that on. I've done the bottom row. I did struggle with this bit, so this won't move out, so I had to sort of cut this area, so I did struggle with that, couldn't get my head around it, but hopefully now I've got the second row on the first one, and it's just really understanding what to cut. So so for this one I cut straight up there, so then these all line up together in the right way. Makes sense. So you basically just want it to be the same as the bottom, so if I put that there, then that all is flush, so then I just need to cut that there, and that works. Okay, I think I'm on the home stretch now. I've got that done, and now it's just all nothing cutting except for the edges. So I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty stressful. I did muck up a sheet, so hopefully I've got enough. It's not perfect. I'm not gonna admit it's perfect. There's a tiny little bit there that you can see, and I think over there it's a little bit by the grout, but from a distance it looks cool. I love it. I've got to go to cross country. We'll come back after I go see Arlo do his cross country and try and finish it today. If not, tomorrow I will finish it. And I've just popped another 2 on in like a matter of minutes. If you had a wall that had no plugs or obstacles or anything like that, it would be so easy. The only thing that has held me up is cutting out and done working up to there. So far I've used 22 sheets. You could totally stop there, or you could even stop 1 row less if you just wanted like the splashback look, but I'm going to go above the shelf, so I'm going to keep going another row.